Sources are telling Reuters that OpenAI is finalizing its first in-house chip design in the next few months to cut its reliance on Nvidia, and plans to send the chips for fabrication at TSMC, a process known as taping out. Quoting Reuters, the update shows that OpenAI is on track to meet its ambitious goal of mass production at TSMC in 2026. A typical tape-out costs tens of millions of dollars and will take roughly 6 months to produce a finished chip, unless OpenAI pays substantially more for expedited manufacturing. There is no guarantee the silicon will function on the first tape-out, and a failure would require the company to diagnose the problem and repeat the tape-out step. Inside OpenAI, the training-focused chip is viewed as a strategic tool to strengthen OpenAI's negotiating leverage with other chip suppliers, the sources said. After the initial chip, OpenAI's engineers plan to develop increasingly advanced processors with broader capabilities with each new iteration. If the initial tape-out goes smoothly, it would enable the ChatGPT maker to mass-produce its first in-house AI chip and potentially test an alternative to NVIDIA's chips later this year. OpenAI's plan to send its design to TSMC this year demonstrates the startup has made speedy progress on its first design, a process that can take other chip designers years longer, end quote. This chip initiative is being led by Richard Ho, who joined from Alphabet, where he led Google's AI chip program. Under Ho's leadership, OpenAI's chip development team has expanded to 40 members and is collaborating with Broadcom on a custom AI processor. The team remains modest compared to similar divisions at Amazon or Google. Industry experts indicate that developing a single iteration of an advanced chip can require $500 million, with additional costs for software and supporting systems potentially reaching another $500 million. The initial deployment of OpenAI's chip will be limited in scope, primarily focusing on AI model inference rather than training, according to sources familiar with the project. The processor will play a specialized role within OpenAI's broader infrastructure. To match the scale of Google or Amazon's chip programs, OpenAI would need to significantly expand its engineering workforce by hundreds of personnel.